Right, so we were watching the internet last night. Well, I was watching the internet, fell down an internet wormhole of never-ending YouTubeness, and I was watching a video about how to turn a basil plant into 5 basil plants.
Basil plant.
And Farrah's currently addicted to basil since having it on the pizza. So what we're going to do is try and get this sorry looking basil plant into about 5 basil plants, or maybe 6. It could have been watered a bit beforehand, it's a bit sorry. So what we need to do is take cuttings, and apparently these are nodes, these here, where the leaves come out, and we need to cut it just beneath the node.
Just beneath there?
So just beneath a node, because apparently that's where all the hormones are. We need to fill that up about halfway with water. Meanwhile, I will strip all the leaves off, and that's all you do.
How's that going to make 5 basil plants?
Apparently it's going to grow roots.
Doesn't it need to live in mud?
No, because it roots, and then once it has done, you can put it in mud.
You put them all in the same glass?
Well, we'll put about 3 in each. Right, let's try and get a healthier looking one that's not been
eaten by me.
Yeah. We'll go for that one. Oh, it's very bedraggled. Right. So there we've got our 3 cuttings. That one is very sorry looking, but we'll see whether we can get a plant out of it. So Farrah, I'll fill up the water.
Yes.
Do you want to pick 3 of yours? Let's try and get some healthier ones. Right, look at this one. This is a nice big one.
Which one?
Why don't you cut it down there? You need to cut it underneath.
There?
Yeah.
Yeet.
Right, that's just crushing the stem. Go on. Good. Now, I'm not throwing the leaves away because we'll put them on dinner. We'll put the leaves in there. Do you want to pull the leaves off? I'm going to pull that dirty one off because that's dirty.
Oh, a bit of leaf fell in the water. Yeet.
Right, you're not supposed to. Did you pull the top leaves off?
What do you mean?
Did you pull the top leaves off?
Yeah.
It needs them leaves to grow. I don't think we're going to get much of a cutting from that. You're supposed to leave the top leaves on. We'll leave it, we never know. But right, just so we're clear, leave the top leaves on. Let's go for this healthy one in the middle, beneath that stem.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll leave the leaves on. Right, and then
this one?
you want that one, yeah?
Yeah.
So you want to strip the bottom leaves off, like so. I think that's already been eaten loads. Let's see what we can do. I think if anyone, that one might survive. Are you sure you want to? I think we should put another one in just in case, because that one is very sorry looking. I'm going to put this one in. Where's its nose? Yeah, that's a bit better looking.
Don't you put it in the sunlight in the window?
Yeah. That one's a bit too short. That one's a bit just dead. Oh, we'll see what happens. Cheers. So at some point in the week, we'll report back, or next week, with our amazing rooted basil plant. Or maybe with a dead plant. Oh, so exciting! So, we took some cuttings from this plant, which is looking alright.
Bit dead.
We stuck them in water.
And it's got fingers.
It's got fingers?
Yeah, it's got
Oh,
like
you mean
little
it's grown
tentacle
fingers?
things.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
So they're getting longer. And the one that I pulled all the leaf off is kind of it's kind of growing.
That's cool. Look at that one. That's got like tentacles.
It's growing
all
out
the
the
bottom.
side.
We need to pick our 4 best plants. That's quite a good one. Let's have a look. That's quite a good one.
This is definitely a great one.
That's a good one.
These two are a bit.
Yeah, they're a bit rubbish. They've got not the best. That's got lame roots. We can leave them in for another. Right, if you're going to eat them, eat it off there. That's going to have no chance of surviving if you eat it alive. And that's not bad. We'll go with those 4. Get a plant. Right. Gentle. We'll spend a whole week looking after these. You don't just grab it and mash it into the blooming thing. It's a delicate plant. We need to carefully put it into. Stop eating it. We need to push the soil down around it. And then in a week we might have an amazing basil plant. I think that's a good job. Look at this little. You probably ate half of that while I wasn't looking. So the basil has actually grown quite a bit.
One has disappeared since we planted it.
It has, we gave one to Grandma. So that was the original plant that we took the cuttings off. And these are the plants, or 2 of them. They're just as big now, not as bushy, but they've grown at an amazing pace. And the cuttings that we didn't use, the cuttings that were the weak one, we just left them in the glass. And do you want to show Farrah what's happened to them? They've just been sat in the glass. That is crazy. That is a crazy amount of root growth. That's bonkers, isn't it?
They're like no, and now they've just gone.
I feel like we shouldn't really waste them, but what are we going to do with them?
This leaf looks delicious.
That's huge, that leaf. Look, that's one thing about, that's the original plant with these spindly little leaves, and these are our new plants. They've got huge basil leaves.
Can I pinch it?
Go on then.
Thanks. And give it a taste.
I think it tastes better when you season like a pizza with it or something.
It tastes like licorice.
Oh, it smells like licorice. Ew, that's